Hi, welcome again to Uncode Theme Tutorial Series. In this video I will guide how to change default color scheme and font size and style. First go to Uncode Theme Options at Backend. Under Visual option click Palette. Here you will see a list of all predefined color palettes. You can also add a new color palette. For example, here I'm adding a new color which is red. Click Save Changes button to apply new color. Now, I'm opening Page Builder to guide how you can apply or use these color palette. Here I'm going to edit the title and apply the color palette. Go to Color option and you will see the list of predefined palette. Now select the palette you want to use and save the changes. In this way you can use these palette for texts, buttons and all areas across the site. Using Typography option you can adjust the font size, style, and families. In Page Builder you have an option to select font family, but you can add your custom fonts here. Here you can see the list of custom fonts. Using Customize option you adjust color for all the elements like buttons and forms. You can also adjust color and style for menu, top bar and footer. Hope this video will be helpful for you.